What's up, everybody? Gavin Brooks from Go Time Motorsports. I don't know about you guys, but I cannot stand having dust or fingerprints on my infotainment system. Screen ProTech has come out with a product that takes care of that completely. You're gonna see that after it's done, you're not gonna have fingerprints, or the fingerprints, shouldn't say you're not gonna have them, you're gonna have them a lot less. When you have the Screen ProTech film put on there, you can wipe down your infotainment screen, your gauge cluster as much as you want, and you don't need to worry about scratching it. If I don't have a microfiber towel, don't tell anybody, I may use my hand. It doesn't scratch the screen. Hope you enjoyed the video. You're gonna love the screen, I know that. So go pick one up today from Screen ProTech. Peace.